Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, April 20th, and we're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin. Friday, we started to move up, which was this candle right here. And Saturday, we continued in the day. And then it came the evening time on Saturday, and we started to reverse. We basically hit the top of this gap. This is the gap up that we had on our chart. These two were gap ups, and then we hit the ceiling on this one, hit the ceiling on that one, came down and found support at the bottom, and then we started our slow descent, and we basically gave it all back. Everything that we started on Friday, right here, Friday morning, till right now, we gave it 100% back. We are now underneath the 9 EMA. The 30 and the 50 are providing support. You know what? It's time to remove our box over. So this has been our long-standing support and resistance box. And as the price action continues to go sideways, this is still proving to be a very strong area of support and resistance. When we come inside of it, it becomes very tough resistance. When we break above it, it becomes support. And as you can see, it's pretty much respecting it right along with the EMAs. As of right now, let's take a look at the MACD. Doesn't look very good. We're starting to cross bearish, starting to print red in the volume oscillator. And the RSI is sitting right at 50 points. So we got to make sure we maintain 50 points or higher if the bulls want any chance of control of the market. Looking at the weekly time frame, they closed it yesterday. They moved it. It was up here right above the 9 EMA. I want to say the last 10 minutes. And right before the candle closed, they dropped it. And we actually opened right underneath in the 9 EMA. We peaked up a little bit above it, but as you can see, we are now on that descent on this opening of the weekly candle. Still have that volume divergence with the price action high and the volume diminishing. So this is the weekly time frame. I am expecting this to break out, and when this breaks out is how we're going to start to get our lows that we have been anticipating. But until that happens on that weekly, it is going to be a while. These don't really play out that strong. Here is that MACD that we were talking about as well. We still have to get this cross indicator close enough to this, the MACD to this cross indicator to see that breakdown, just like we do in a bull flag. This is now the reverse play of that. So it looks like we may have still another week before we start touching that or two. So there is still that formation that we are looking for to see if we can get that push to the downside and start filling up some of those orders. All right, guys, everyone have a really good day, and we'll see you tonight at 7 p.m. for our live Zoom session, first one of the week, and hope you guys all have a good day.